The ancient Ogbunike kingdom in Anambra State was agog as the community celebrated Nwafọ Ogbunike, the successful completion of farming season. The ceremony includes, among other traditional rites, paying of homage to the gods of the land, where prayers are offered for a bountiful harvest. A promoter of Igbo culture and tradition and a frontline contender for the Ogbunike traditional stool, Dr. Harris-chuma, was recognized by the custodians of the tradition as Eze Odinana for his enormous contributions in promoting the culture of the land.
Ibo na-egosi omenala Ogbunike amanwụ ndị otu ọdịnala n'Ogbunike wee si n'etu isi enye aka wee na-akwalite ọdịnala Ogbunike na feme eze ọdịnala.
So this heralds season of plenty because soon we will start harvesting. We are very much in good relationship with the deities of Ogbunike. So what we do is we reference the ancestral spirits of our forefathers. We reference them in this season anytime we are gathered to celebrate a masquerade festival, just to pray, to thank them for the lives of the indigenes, to thank them for the blessings the land has given us over time, and also to supplicate our needs.
Erika, Ogene Odinana Ogbunike reform moya waba go global. Ogene melo Ogbunike
Ogene is the purveyor and the advancer of Ogbunike culture and tradition for a very long time. Is very well known for it. Preservation of our culture, advancement of our culture, promotion of our culture. So overall, over the years.
For those that don't know, it is not fetish. It's a traditional celebration. I celebrate Kandinai for our forefathers. They are they are more farmers. So after farming, they tend to handle, they celebrate it.
My advice to the younger ones is that they can see the way we are doing it. That is the way our fathers did it. That is the way our forefathers did it.
So they should learn from us and also learn from the organizer, because he has been keeping the culture of Ogbunike alive.
Eze Odinana bụ Comrade Dr. Harris-chuma onye a na-akpọ Ogene Igbo ọkpala Igwedo Ogene Igbo 1 ọ na-akụ akụ nye ọ na-eme ife siri ike ọ na-eme ka obodo anyị o melu na ọ bụrụ na ọ na-eme ma melu na-agakwu ka obodo anyị abụọ Ogbunike kwụlụkwa chinchin nnachighata etu Ogbunike si wee dị mbụ site n'ife gbasalụ culture nya ife eji malụ ndị.
Ogbunike, a community near the commercial city Onitsha, is rich for its tourist potentials and vast arable land for agriculture. From Ogbunike, Uchenna Nweko, NTA News.